10 tongue twisters for each level: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Beginner. 1. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? 2. 6 slippery snails slid slowly seaward. 3. Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. 4. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. 5. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? 6. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? 7. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. 8. How can a black bug bleed black blood? 9. I saw Susie sitting in a shoeshine shop. 10. She sells seashells by the seashore. Intermediate. 1. I thought of thanking you. 2. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? 3. How much does a dewdrop drop if dewdrops do drop dew? 4. The sixth sheep sick. 5. 6 slippery snails slid slowly seaward. 6. Can a can as a canner can a can? 7. A proper copper coffee pot. 8. Unique New York, you know you need unique New York. 9. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. 10. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Advanced. 1. She sells seashells on the seashore, the shells that she sells are seashells, I'm sure. 2. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? 3. I saw Susie sitting in a shoeshine shop. Where she sits she shines, and where she shines, she sits. 4. If 2 witches were watching 2 watches, which witch would watch which watch? 5. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? 6. I wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the witch wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish. 7. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? 8. A proper copper coffee pot. 9. 6 slippery snails slid slowly seaward. 10. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!